and in 3 days we explored Da Nang's best tourist spots, tried the delicious local food,
I love Vietnamese bowls.
answered the ultimate question, is Banana Hills just a tourist trap?
I love it.
Really? Da Nang is an up-and-coming tourist spot in central Vietnam, and in today's video we will show you what you should not miss on your visit to this amazing city. So sit back and join us on our adventures through the incredible country of Vietnam. Hey guys, welcome to Marble Mountains. Are you okay? Cut. Hey guys, welcome to Marble Mountains. We are here around 10 a.m.
Yes.
and it's already so hot. But there is no entrance fee today. I don't know why. So that's great.
Let me take it from here, honey, since you seem to be a bit out of breath. Marble Mountains are stunning limestone hills that hold a lot of spiritual importance. The marble from here has been used for art and buildings for many centuries. Numerous caves and temples are surrounded by stunning natural beauty, just waiting to be explored. The highlight of the Marble Mountains was definitely a visit to Vung Cong Cave.
There are a lot of opportunities for capturing stunning photos if you are into that sort of stuff. Clearly, we are not. The Marble Mountains were more fun than we thought. And we stayed there like for 2 hours, but it was way too hot.
Yes.
So now
We go
to
to
beach. We loved the beach in Da Nang. It was really clean, well organized and had everything you might need for a day at the beach. Plus, the backdrop with the city skyscrapers gave it a Miami kind of vibe. After a short nap on the beach, it was time to continue on our journey. The Lady Buddha statue stands at an impressive height of about 67 meters, which makes it one of the tallest statues of its kind in the world. The whole complex attracts tourists for its beauty and incredible views of the city, while pilgrims come to pay respects and offer prayers. The whole Sontra Peninsula, where Lady Buddha stands, makes for a great day trip on a motorbike, as it has plenty of views of Da Nang City, monkeys, beaches and beautiful nature. But instead of doing that, we chose to travel along one of the most famous roads in all of Vietnam, Hai Vinh Pass. Diamond Pass gained international fame when it was showcased on the BBC television series Top Gear, with the host highlighting its stunning natural beauty. Since then, many tourists consider the Pass of the Ocean Clouds, as it's also known, a must-visit destination and choose to ride the pass on a motorbike. And although the scenery is really wonderful, we felt that Vietnam has many other roads that are even more beautiful and that the pass is a bit overhyped. And another problem is that it's too short. We could go like for 1 hour more, maybe 2. It's too short. But on the other hand, this meant we had plenty of time to explore Da Nang's corn market, which led Ivanka to an important realization.
I love Vietnamese balls.
Besides the balls, this market has everything from clothes, jewelry, fresh produce, our old favorite Vietnamese noodle dish.
Cao lão. It is cao lão.
Oh, ngon, ngon lắm.
Cao lão.
And our new favorite Vietnamese noodle dish.
Sweet. It's very good. Very good.
The beach at sunset becomes a popular place where families can enjoy some fun together. And after a short stroll on the stunning Da Nang promenade, we decided to join them. We began our last day with a ride on the world's longest cable car to Banana Hills. A former French colonial hill station is now home to an amusement park primarily known for its Golden Bridge.
I love it.
Really?
It's very beautiful.
Even with the people?
No. We don't.
Okay, Banana Hills can be a bit touristy and seem to have been built solely for taking Instagram pictures, which, as we already shown you, is not our strong suit. Oh la la! However, after several months in Southeast Asia, we quite enjoyed the European-style village, fun attractions and the fresh mountainous air. And that is definitely the only thing we enjoy here. After 8 hours in Banana Hills, we took a little rest in our hotel room, and in the evening we watched famous Da Nang's fire-spitting dragon. And after that we went to the night market that is right next to the dragon, which has souvenirs, friendly people and a tempting selection of local foods like mi quang, bang seo and tacos. You could probably find anything here except perhaps for turtles. If you are in Da Nang, you just have to visit this incredible town that is just half an hour drive from the city. And guess what? We have a whole video on how to have the best time there, so watch that next, or else you'll miss out on something truly incredible.